The state health department says summer heat is responsible for more than 1,000 emergency room visits in North Carolina.
Emergency responders here have seen a jump in calls for heat-related illnesses just this month. WECT's Zach Solon looks at the impact this is having on the community. Now, Zach, you talk to EMS responders. They say there are more than one heat-related call coming in every day.
That's right, John. I'm told that exposure to high temperatures can take a toll on the body without you even realizing it. That's why it's important to stay hydrated and, of course, limit your time outside. Southeastern North Carolina is feeling the impact of this latest summer heat wave. Lyle Johnston with Brunswick County EMS says more people are calling 911 asking for help.
We're definitely seeing an increase in call volume related to heat-related illnesses. Our call volume so far in the first 19 days of July, we were averaging about a call plus a day on heat-related illnesses that we know about right at the dispatch. But then there's a lot of other calls that are probably heat-related when we see dehydration and things like that. People don't realize it was from the heat.
Here's a look at the numbers for heat-related 911 calls in New Hanover County. In June, when the average high temperature was about 86 degrees, there were 8 emergency calls and 3 people were taken to the hospital. So far in July, with an average high around 91 degrees, the numbers have tripled, with 24 calls and 9 people taken to the hospital. Johnston says one problem is people not paying attention to the heat.
There's so much going on during the summer. There's people vacationing, there's people working, outside. Everybody's trying to get done, everybody's staying busy. And I think a lot of times people just don't pay attention to the heat and what it's doing to them when they're out in it.
He says when it comes to heat-related illnesses, it's important to act fast.
If you see something unusual, make the call to 911 and get an ambulance to come out and check them. We'd much rather catch it early on when it's a minor heat situation versus letting it exceed on up to a heat stroke or something like that.
And stay cool. Be sure to have that WECT weather app handy so you can always check on the current temperature at your location. Zach Solon, WECT News.